Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Often I think, what could I give to a friend that needs a little bit of joy? So I've been looking at all of the flowers that I've got in stock, and a lot of my friends are saying to me, where do you get your beautiful flowers from? And I just want you to know I get all of my flowers from Prestige Botanicals. All of my friends love them. I've got a friend who is not very well at the moment, and I thought, I will create a posy of joy for her, and it's really, really easy. I've got two beautiful pieces of, you could either use fresh or artificial, but I know my friend Kay is going to want something that's going to last long term. I love this magnolia, so I've got two pieces of magnolia, which I'm just going to put into my hand like so. Oh, goodness me, there's a lot of noise here at Astar's place today. So I've got this lovely buttery yellow peony, which I'm going to put there. I'm going to bring that one into there like that, and then I'm going to bring that one round into there like that. Now you can cross these stems to make it sit out more so that you could actually make it stand like so, but I don't like doing that. I just like to keep everything all neat and tidy with not too much bulk at the base. I've got two of these beautiful peonies, so I love this one. It reminds me of a ballerina. And I'll bring that one in and over to there. And then I've just got a couple of gorgeous roses, which I'm going to put there. And then I'll bring that one into there like so. And that one can just nestle in there. Look at that, easy, easy, easy peasy. A posy of joy. And I know that my friend is going to love these roses. Now, to present them, what you can do is just get a couple of pieces of white paper. I like white, and then this, I'll just push that up to there. I'm just going to bend that over there, and then just as if you're putting nappies on a baby, oops, you just stay there, and then that can go to there, and then give that a wee squeeze like that. Oh, look at that. And if you wanted to be like wasting even more paper, just get another piece. You know, paper can make a bouquet look like it's very, very huge. So that can just go down into there. So I've got a peak there and a peak there. Bring that up to there like so. And then just fold that into there, that into there. And then squeeze that together like that. A posy of joy. Now I've got this other little thing that I like to do with flowers. I like white paper with whatever flower is in there, and I like to finish it off with either a white or a cream ribbon. And the reason I like to do that is because the white actually is like a nice frame around the flowers, and it doesn't detract from the moments of joy that you have got inside your posy. Isn't that just beautiful? I know she's going to love it. Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing, and I look forward to seeing you again another day.